विसोपरांत तुमकां येवकार. म्हादेचो प्रश्न सद्याक लवादा कडेन आसा. मात आयतारा भाजपाच्या बसकेन कांयच म्हादय संदर्भात भाश्य करूंक ना हाचेर विरोधी पक्षाच्या आमदार फुडाऱ्यांनी आपली मतां उक्तायल्यात. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर परवरच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस.
Let's see what they are going to do. There is no point. So there is an election going on in Karnataka.
Correct.
That's why they must have kept quiet. But they should be very frank with themselves.
So जेन्ना ट्रायब्युनल आहा थिंगा सेटअप केलेलो, टॉकिंग आउट ऑफ द ट्रायब्युनल इज द राइट फॉर्म. इट मे बी एनी पार्टी.
Not correct. When it is before the tribunal, they can argue it before the tribunal.
An amicable solution, is there any scope for such type of thing on Madai? Like what Shripad said 1 or 2 days before, saying that amicable solution could be found out or something. On Madai issue, amicable solution?
Well, Shripad says that we would like to know from him what he has suggested, what kind of suggestion he has.
But even but are you of the opinion that talks could be done, or not a single drop should also be given to them?
No, we'll have to see what they have. Our Shripad Naik is our member of parliament. Let us hear from him. Because I have not met him. What he has to say.
Okay.
Unless he says that they are prepared to accept status quo or whatever it is, we must hear from him.
It is our sacred duty to protect our rivers, our environment, our ecology. In fact, I remember when I was in Delhi 10 years back, the same issue had come. And I had told that time the then Chief Minister, Mr. Digambar Kamath, see that issue is being hijacked by the Karnataka state. You please this, and I helped at that time to send it to that National River Tribunal. And the matter is there. I hope it will be settled as fast as possible. Everybody knows how it's a political stunt, political upmanship. When the matter is before a tribunal, it is sub judice, and we have to wait till the decision is coming from the tribunal.
Sir, regarding mining, Amit Shah said that they will settle the issue in the
Court.
BJP is really going to resolve the issue? Mining?
See, as far as I am concerned, mining is a issue like the 3G or 4G or like the coal allocation. The Supreme Court is very clear, mining has to be auctioned. And the faster they do, the better it is, because it will help all the mining affected.
So auctioning is the right process, you
There
feel?
is no other process, according to me, as far as the law is concerned.
So there is no other alternative.
I don't see any process.
म्हादयचेर तो कसो उलयतलो? म्हादयचेर तो उलोवंक शकना. कारण म्हादय जी आसा तेजेर तो ऑलरेडी थंय उलयलो कर्नाटकान. प्रायम मिनिस्टरान तो थंय उलयलो
Correct.
की तें उदक थंय तांकां दितलो, शेतीक दितलो, आनी कित्याक दितलो, आनी कित्याक दितलो, आनी कित्याक. म्हणून आतां आमकां कितें दितलो म्हणून आमकां सांगतलो. आमकां दिवपाक कांय ना न्हू तेजेर. मागीर ट्रिब्युनलाक म्हणटा ते. पूण हें पळय आमकां दितलें म्हणटा पळय तें कांय ना, हें येवना. दुसरें आतां मायनिंगाचें म्हणटा तें आतां मायनिंगाचें म्हणटा तो हें आसा. मायनिंगाचें आजून कांय जावना. कोर्टा वचून तें हें करपाचें आसा आनी कोर्टान तर पेंडींग आसा. पण निमाणी दोनी कांय ताणें कांय दिवना हांगा. जे गोंयकारांक कितें पळय सांगपाचें तें फक्त सांगलें ताणें इतलें फक्त इलेक्शनाचें आनी कांय ना.
पूण हो इशू रिजॉल्व जातलो दिसता तुमकां. मायनींग जावं मादय जावं हांचे कडेन गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन वा सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन.
जेन्ना कोर्ट आसा तेन्ना आमी उलोवप न्हू कोणी तेणी उलोवप ना, आमी उलोवप. पूण कोर्ट आसा, कोर्ट लेट कोर्ट डिसायड न्हू. ट्रिब्युनलाची आसा ती थंय जावनी सेटल जावनी कितें आसा तेंच्यांनी ऑर्डर येतली. पूण हे पयलीं वाडटात. पयलीं ताणी वाटली उदक सगळें लोकांक दाखयलें. पण इलेक्शनाक पण हें इलेक्शनाचे एक भाग म्हणून हो लोकांक ते वाडटात. पण निमाणी ते कांयच पावना, पंदराय पावना. आनी आतां आनी कितें येता तें खबर ना.
सो सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान कितें तें अनाउन्समेंट केलें कर्नाटका तें चुकीचें म्हणटा तुमी जेन्ना ट्रायब्युनलान आसा पळय तें.
ट्रिब्युनलाचें आसतना गव्हर्मेंट कोणें प्रायम मिनिस्टरान उलोवंक जायना आनीक पक्षाचे अध्यक्ष जे आसा आनी उलोवंक शकना.
हें चुकीचें.
हें सामकें चुकीचें.